Taj Mahal. We are about to see perfect symmetry. Speciality of Taj Mahal, perfect symmetry and inlaid work. Taj Mahal is famous for perfect symmetry and inlaid work. That's why. So, as I told you about perfect symmetry and inlaid work. So please display. So this line divides the Taj Mahal in two parts. This line. So this is South Gate. So this gate name is Darwaza Rauza, means a main entry gate for mausoleum. So there is a Taj Mahal. You can see over there a small gate, small entry gate for mausoleum. So inside the mausoleum there is a grave of Mumtaz Mahal on this line. So all are in same line. Everything. Center line of the Taj Mahal. I'm basically from Aravali Hills.
And that's where this stone's from.
Yeah. So Aravali mountain range start from Fatehpur Sikri, my birthplace, 42 kilometers from here. Then covered whole Rajasthan, then Gujarat, little bit in Delhi and Haryana also. 800 kilometer length of this mountain, oldest mountain range, one of the oldest. So, as I told you, originally this gate built by red sandstone, but here you can see some kind of designs, slots. There is no paint, everywhere inlaid work. This the Taj Mahal, 4 sides same structure. This is a perfect symmetry.
Every single side is perfect.
Same.
That's impressive. That's very, very, very impressive. When was that built? When was it built?
Taj Mahal construction started in 1631, then completed in 1653, and designed by Ustad Ahmad Lahori, who was the architect of this.
Nice.
So third wife, she came from Kashmir, Fatehpuri Gate.
But this was built for second wife.
Second. But Shah Jahan had deep affection with Mumtaz Mahal only. Mumtaz Mahal. Some writers say that she was from Iran, Iranian woman, always beautiful. That was the reason Shah Jahan loved so much Mumtaz Mahal. But this is not true. This was not the main reason. Main reason was she was highly skilled lady. She always used to help Shah Jahan in administrative, public discussions, war planning, and sometimes battlefront also. But one day she died. As I told you, Shah Jahan date of birth was 1592, 35 kilometers. So they buried Mumtaz Mahal body temporarily in Burhanpur. So after 6 months, after completed the foundation of Taj Mahal, they shifted Mumtaz Mahal body, then buried inside the Taj Mahal.
So this is obviously another gate.
No, this is not a gate.
Oh, it's not.
This is a perfect symmetry. As I told you. So this is a mosque.
So that's a mosque.
Yeah, why this is a mosque? For facing Makkah Medina. There is a Makkah Medina, western side.
All right.
That's why this is a mosque. So why they built another one? For perfect symmetry, for mirroring only. Only for mirroring.
Yeah.
There is no use with them. But Britishers, they use that part as a guest house. So as I told you, you can't find which one is front of the Taj Mahal. Four sides, same structure. This is front, this is also front, and everyone is front.
So everything's the front.
Same structure. There is no change with anyone. From Makrana. Makrana is a place in Rajasthan. 437 kilometers from here. They brought this stone from Makrana. But over there you can see some kind of colorful stones everywhere. Colorful stones. So those are all semi-precious stones. They brought those whole stones around the world. Jade and crystal they brought from China, lapis lazuli from Afghanistan, kaolin from Arab, turquoise from Tibet, like that. So specialty of those stones. Once sometime cause of friends.
All the floor.
Yeah.
So this must be all marble.
Yeah, pure marble.
That's marble.
Makrana. This is red sandstone. This is Makrana. One important thing is that
Not inside.
क्या बजेगा? And would you please stand here? I know about this place perfect. This is stand over there. Would you please give me a follow? Come again to India. You no need to stay in hotel. Real. And I also make good food.
Oh, you make good food.
Yeah, I can make chicken, non-veg, vegetarian, everything. But I cannot make chapati. This fort. So now this fort have a moat. Right. Around this fort there is a moat with drawbridge. A drawbridge. Perfect security system. Check.
Your ticket.
आप दो लोग हैं तुम भी टिकट ही का दो सर हेलो दो लोग थे मैंने दे दिया
That's what the name of the gate. After the name of the gate.
So now we are inside the Agra fort. So this gate old name was Badalgarh Fort. You know what means of Badal? Badal means a sky.
Oh, high sky.
So why this fort have a name Badalgarh Fort? Because it's too big, 2.5 kilometer of area. But for visitors, for a tourist, Agra Fort open I think 35% of area. From 65% of area, there is the Indian Army.
Oh, so there's the army's still here?
Yeah.
Is it? And this is where the man who built Taj Mahal, this is where he died here.
Yeah.
His son put him in here.
Shah Jahan.
Shah Jahan.
Shah Jahan. Shah means king, Jahan means world.
So his name translates to King of the World.
King of If any enemy try to enter in this fort, they throw a stone ball. You know about stone balls?
No?
Stone
Stone balls? Yes.
They-
they'd roll down.
Yeah, roll down.
So why were you clapping? What were you clapping for?
Clapping for perfect echo. If enemy come inside,
You would clap in the echo. You would hear up there.
Here of there.
Oh, so they roll the stone balls down here.
Yeah. If enemy could take support with this ball, they throw, they fall down. New street. So we built Taj Mahal, we built Agra Fort, we built Delhi Fort, we built Fatehpur Sikri Fort. Every fort have a different history, mixed architecture. Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Islamic, Catholic, everything is here. Everything. So, century by Rajput king Raja Badal Singh, who was a Rajput king, local rulers.
See, they've got like Jewish stars.
Yeah, Jewish stars. But, some say that inside.
Oh, so they're the steps to get in.
Yeah. But inside the washroom, inside the bathroom, it was buried.
Okay.
Half of this.
Yeah.
That's all.
Who was a Rajput king, Hindu king. After Rajput king, so Afghani ruled 1 hour, 2 hour, but it's take 6 hours or 7 hours. Lot of things over there. So now we are inside the Jahangir Palace. So first Mughal emperor was Babur, then Humayun, then Akbar, then Akbar's son Jahangir who used to live here. Then Jahangir's son Shah Jahan. Then Shah Jahan have 4 sons.
Shah Jahan built.
Taj Mahal. Okay. So Jahangir who used to live here. In special occasions, this part was Then decorated in special occasions, and ladies slaves they participated there. This part was fully decorated with flowers, with curtains, with
Yeah, beautiful.
everywhere. And in special occasions, ladies slaves they took a participant here. Here is a two type of system for women, for ladies. Nichli haramsara, upri haramsara. Nichli haramsara means lower place for lady slaves, for women. So what kind of lady slaves? First Mughal emperor, they invade on any kingdom. Then after victory, they took ladies and
Yes.
children, and in ladies they put ladies in a lower living place, and for unofficially wives, we can say for unofficially wives. Okay, as a man, only emperor, only king could enter inside the that kind of harem. You know about harem? Harem.
Yeah.
Harem. And upper class haramsara, there used to live royal ladies. They came from royal dynasty. Okay, so here you can see small windows, small windows.
Yes.
So royal ladies, they could see special occasions and dance. No one could see them.
So the higher class ladies
Yeah,
were at the top,
yeah.
and the lower class ladies were down
Yeah.
here. The ladies that captured from battles and etc.
Lower class ladies, they participated here in a dance occasions. Like
Yes, yeah. And the high class was round the top.
Yeah, and emperor seated here, but now it's closed.
Yeah. That's where the empress sat there.
So after the dance program, here is a kitchen. Here is a kitchen with we can say a dining hall.
Yes. And that's in there.
Yeah. En français, salle à manger.
Yeah, so that was the fountain.
Yeah, fountain.
आ जाइए दीदी एसी रूम दिखा देती है
So just the water ever came from there
Yeah.
and in. So it's more like a bath, really, isn't it? It's more like a bath. It won't have been like a fountain of water.
No, this was the fountain, but everything is closed by government.
So everything's been took out.
Come inside.
Yeah, just
As I told you, here you are about to see how did they survive in hot summer months. There is a air conditioning system. There is a air conditioning
air
system.
conditioning system. Right.
There is a water channels between this wall. There is a water channel inside this wall, and a water tank. Top of this building there is a water tank. Right? Okay, the floor they used to flow water. Okay, then water evaporated. You know evaporated.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, so this floor coated by fluval mud.
Yeah, mud.
Mud.
Yeah, yes.
You know Multani mud?
Yeah, I know what you say to make so the water can run.
Sorry, I want to say in many cosmetic products, so companies add fluval mud.
Ah, right, yes. In the cosmetics products.
Yeah, this is some kind of mud. Property of this mud, it's cool. It's cool. This is a property of this mud.
It's cool.
It's cool. This mud, this plaster is cool. This is some kind of mud.
Right.
You know mud?
Yeah, yes, mud off the floor. Mud.
Mud.
Yeah, soil, mud. Yes.
Coated with this mud, and inside this wall there is a water channel. There used to flow of water. Then water converted in evaporated. Then this mud of it's too cool.
So inside of here, the water would be all up the back of the wall, and the mud would be cold, so it would make the walls cold.
This kind of this mud absorbs the water.
Yes, so the wall would be cold, and the room make the room cold.
This structure first air come inside. So this is the way. So you know always hot air is always up and cool air is always down.
Yes.
So first air come inside, hot air go outside with this, and cool air stay here, and this kind of mud cool this place. This was the arrangement.
So the hot air goes out of there, and it stays cool here. Right, I've got you. Now the hot air comes up here.
But here you see, there is nothing.
Yeah.
So here we have seen mostly this fort built by red sandstone. Okay, red sandstone. But after this whole part, little part built by Makrana stone. At the same time, at that time Taj Mahal was built. At the same time, this part was built
Right, so
by
this was-
Shahjahan for his family, for his royal family, mostly for daughters and wives.
So that part's add-on. That's come later. This is the original. This was built at the same time.
At the Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
A palanquin. You know about palanquin?
Palanquin.
You know what is palanquin? No.
No?
A palanquin is some kind of vehicle carried by men. And at the time of old era, men they carried some kind of vehicle, a 4 men, and
Oh, yes.
with a chamber. There is some kind of small room for
Yeah, a lady would
royal-
sit on it. Yes, yeah.
In which
So this was the lower class ladies.
this is the living
was
place.
their-
This is the living place for
That's where
local
they all lived around here. And this must have been like a bath. Was this a bath or
fountain.
fountains? Oh, so are they the originals then?
Yeah, original.
So all this was a fountain.
Yeah. To cool this place. This is also a good science. Around the living place, there is everywhere fountain.
Stand here. So this was his prison. So he's had a fountain as well.
Cool this place.
He must have been allowed out to walk out here, yeah? So this has been all locked and he's been just in this area.
Shahjahan was imprisoned here but Shahjahan was house arrest.
Yes.
He could walk anywhere in a mosque, upside down.
Oh, so
everywhere.
he couldn't leave these walls.
Yeah, not
But that was his room.
yeah,
Right. So that's where he slept. That was his room.
yeah, only a room.
But he had to stay here.
Yeah.
Couldn't go outside. Right. Got you.
Yeah, this part they used for official works. So in
So they-
palaces,
they were all rooms.
you see Diwan-e Aam, Diwan-e Khas.
Yeah, that's the.
This is Diwan-e Khas. So what means of Diwan-e Khas? Diwan is a hall, a place khas for important persons, for ministers, for religious sense. So here,
Sometimes they
at
often
that time, emperors they used to hold meetings with ministers.
This is where they were here.
Yeah, for important persons.
मेरे काट दिए तो मैं सोचता ही नहीं मेरे जो खटपल होते हैं वो नहीं काटते हेलो
அவ்வளோதான்
और जो बुरा था वो बुरा देखा नहीं होगी तो उसका अब कम हो गया तो पता नहीं मतलब so there is 65% of it there is Indian army.
So the army's in there.
With a British person. He was the officer in British army.
Oh, that's the grave of the British Army.
Yeah.
Why is he here then?
To control British, they took control of Agra fort. Then suddenly he died because of illness. Maybe.
Oh, but so he's to the buried a prison officer there.
Yeah, he buried here. His name is Russell.
Russell.
Russell. Yeah. Back in this.
John Russell Galvin. 1807. Died in the fort.